Welcome again, or welcome back to our tutorial class. Donfe. We've started this design before now. Got to this point, making design on how to place a story building duplex. Like we said before now, like our student asked us to have a design, to sketch something like this, so we could design it for him to also on the other side to do it on YouTube. So if you have not been following us, please deem it fit to follow us, like our page, subscribe to our YouTube channel to follow for more videos like this. Today we'll be dealing on how to fix our doors, external doors, and install window to the windows, and also to create some designs as well. Therefore, let's finish with our doors. We'll have, from the last video we started putting doors, we put all the D2 doors. Now let's put D1 doors. Let's start by importing a door, loading a door. Okay. Library 2. Choose library 2. Let's say for external door. Okay. External door. What kind of door do you want? Okay. Let's make choices. So have different varieties of doors here. Different door. Different door. Different door. I think let me go for this one. You need to check the dimension to confirm. Dimension that is carrying, if it's the dimension which is suitable for us. The width of this and the height of the door. Here is the width, 1800. Let's leave it at 1200 or 1500. Let's say 1200. 200. Okay, the height of it is the height of the external door. Okay. The height. Where is height? Look at height here. This is 1 point. Let's do the external door is 2.4. Okay. Mark. Let's say this door should be D1. D1. Apply. Okay. Okay. Where am I to put it? The external here. Leave the door here. Okay. It's supposed to be D1. So we're putting this door here. We're adding it up here. Okay. D1. Okay. We're having the door here again. So we have two entrances to this house. D1. I think we're done with that. Now let's install windows. I think we've lifted the window before now. We've chosen a window. For now, let's use this window. This is W1. W1 is 1 meter by 1.6 height. Let's say here is 1.5. Here's 1.5. Therefore, let's share it here. That's the design I'm looking at to be here. So the design I'm looking at is going to be here. Okay. Let's say this is, let's put this window here. Let's make it to be 1.2 inside flow. 1.2. Let's say 1.2. Let's say 1.2. So the dimension there is helping me place the make placement. This is why I did not centralize this window, is because I'm going to have a window here, so to look alike. 1.2, 1.2, 1.2. There will be a window here that will flush to this wall. Okay, so you have little wall block here to demarcate these windows, and okay, what is here? There should be a big window here, a full-grown window. Okay, I think the windows here is enough. I think we'll have D2, W2 is meant to be a kitchen window. 1.2 spacing. I choose 1.2 for my space from the wall. You can choose anything. 1.2. This is for the window, for the kitchen window. The kitchen window is 1 meter by 1.2 height. So set it already. This is W3. W3. I started this video before now, but it didn't save. That's why I set all this. I've done all this before now. So bringing it back again. So, but I'm going to set one of the window. I did undo. Okay, W3, W3, what else? Stop, W3. Now, pay attention to how these windows are set. Therefore, first of all, we'll load the window. I want to load W4 here. It's going to be a blown window. It's going to be a blown window. So first of all, we'll have to load a window. I want to have a different window altogether. Okay. Okay. Let's go for library 2. Library 1, sorry. Library 1, we're going to have a window. I think there should be a corner window somewhere. Corner window. Yes, there is corner window here. I'm going to need. I'll be needing corner window, but I want to go for casement first. Casement. It's the window I'm looking for at casement. It has so many curtain. 3 curtain. This one is good. Well, let's see. Okay, this one is good. It's preferable. Then for let's change the dimension of it. I want it to be a full-blown window because of my I'm taking away 40 from the height to be 2,960, and it's going to start from 0. The height should be from 0, and the width should be 2,000. The width should be 2,000. Okay. Which window is this? Let's see. I don't think this window. Let me close this window and see how it looks like at the 3D level. But this is not supposed to be 2,000. 2,000 is supposed to fill up the wall. Let me see what is happening here. Okay. This is a blown window design. A blow window design. How it looks like. SD to show. This is a blow window design. This is not what we want. It's not what we want. Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Has gone off. Control Z, Control Z. To take dimension away. At window, hope I'm not having window 4 anymore. Control Z. Control Z. Control Z. It has gone off. So let's load another. So the arc. I have to choose one of the windows. Okay. Let's choose casement at once and search casement. Oh, picking the wrong casement. I want to take that window down. Control Z, so I can take it down from the selection. And I miss my numbers. Okay, this is the window I took before. Should we go with this window? I think we should go with that window. This window is so good. I think we should go with it. Okay. At this window, the width, like I said before, 2,960. 60, taking 40 away from it because of the frame. So I took a full-blown window. Sorry, I'm talking about the height here. 2000, 960. While the width is same as 2000. Okay. 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 That's a little bit half window. But we're meant to have window here too. Yeah. Let's see. 1005. Have a blown window. Then we'll go and have another window here to have an L shape for me. Before then, let's cut all the curtains. Let's cut all the curtains. Understand, because the time is going down. So that from next video, I can introduce that, because it has to do with setting at the Windows section and the family for that could be achieved. So this video can really cover some space for us. Okay. After cutting the edges like I did, if you have not followed our channel, please do like our page and follow our page. Comment and follow. Like, comment and subscribe. Okay. Then you go to our 3D to edit. We're going to have something huge here. I think I should leave this wall for demarcation purpose. We're going to have something huge here. Edit. Move constraint. Like I said from the first video, this is what remove constraint, so it can be able to lock properly, so it can extend to any extent you want to go to. Constraint is something that is restricting it from moving or changing states. Finish. Edit. Okay. Doesn't want to move from this stage, so I have to turn its camera to this place. Edit. 500. Remove constraint. Ready to lap. I intentionally leave this wall so I can place there's a wall coming here, a design coming here. So from the next video, that's why I'm going to design it. Meanwhile, let me show you how to cut the walls. Here it can go. Meanwhile, this design should lap in with 0. This should also lap in with 0. I'm going to fix all the windows properly, but for now Something to attend to that. Therefore, this is how to cut this wall. To have a beam, 600 drop down beam, and our floor, which is 500. Which is 500. Therefore, cut material, cut, then get trim, that's gonna finish. That's how the open looks like. Something you apply here, edit, pick a pencil, 600, 500. Don't know why it's picking more than 500. It's 500. Cut, trim off. Okay, something here. SD, so I can see this properly. SD, I see it properly. Okay. Pick a line. 600 drop down beam. And so change this one from 600. I can make this one to be 300 drop down beam. This one should be higher beam, a higher beam level, close to the decking slab. $500. If something is seen that is picturing, something that is picking it at that level. Cut. 7. Cut, I said. Cut. Let's see the height of this place. 500 confirmed. Then trim. Finish. Edit. Line. Okay. $500. And cuts, trim, cuts, and get trimming material, trim offices. This is why we're leaving 500 down because of the foundation. Remember when we started, we left all the dimension to be 500 minus 500. It's going below 500 and going on top 3 meters, which is the height of the structure. Finish. Okay. For this video could come out to an end, let's see how to set these windows. All these windows should be at 700. 700. To help us when we lift the structure, they will all remain in the same level. And still set it when you are bringing it in, but it's more preferable you set it here so you cannot make mistakes. 700, 700. This one is already flushing on the roof. It's going to be all through window. Seven hundred. 700 from the roof. Seven hundred. Seven hundred. 700. That's the one that is at the veranda, or we call it sit out point or entrance hall. I decided to place it this way so I can be able to get it. That's why from the corner I narrowed it from the corner so I can view it. 700. I believe it should be the last one. Okay. 700. Pink. Follow us for more. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like our page. I will bring the design to completion. Modification of this design down to Lumion. We're going to do that. Okay, that's a design of this front sit out. So I want to do it. I will do it in the next video. At the same time, place this window at the edge corner. At that edge, we're going to have a corner window. Hood window here. There will be a corner window here. We're going to design it at the family section area. So could save our time. That's rules on how to do all this. So thank you. Follow us for more. Thank you.